What is democracy? Traditionally, democracy is defined as a system of government in which the people govern themselves. However, from its inception, democracy has disenfranchised some of the very people it was said to be serving. American democracy, like its predecessors in Rome and Greece, was founded alongside the institution of slavery. From this vantage point, democracy's supposed separation from other systems of government, such as an oligarchy where a select group of people rules, becomes less obvious. In their replication of Roman slavery, the early Americans were certainly self-conscious. The free states of antiquity abounded with slaves, wrote John Calhoun. Southerners often attributed the imperial power of the Romans and Greeks to the subjugation of a certain class of people. Now, slavery has shifted into the penal system, a notable exception made by the 13th Amendment. As Michelle Alexander notes in The New Jim Crow, quote, 1 of every 14 black men was behind bars in 2006, compared with 1 in 106 white men, end quote. The vast majority of states restrict criminals' right to vote in some way, with differing degrees of severity. Figures like Cicero and Cato remain revered today in the American university system and by politicians and at political think tanks. As Margaret Malamud notes, quote, Cicero could have been interpreted by Southern elites as justifying and ennobling their exercise of power over poor whites and slaves, so long as they put into practice Cicero's lofty ideas on virtue, end quote. What, then, are the implications of our continuing to revere these figures in our modern democracy?